Hey, this is Harold from Giant Loop, and wanted to show you the great Basin Saddlebag today. You know, this is one of our original horseshoe-shaped designs that's been in production since 2009, almost a full 10 years of this bag being all over the world. And it's one of our most versatile designs in terms of fit. It's literally going to fit almost any bike out there that's designed to carry a passenger, including this beautiful Ducati Scrambler. It attaches to passenger footrest mounts. So as long as it's anchored on each side of the passenger footrest mounts, and then at least one of these three rear anchor straps gets connected to something solid, you're good to go. And it straps on in minutes, comes right off when you don't want it on there. Includes 3 waterproof inner liner bags and an exhaust heat shield. That's the great Basin Saddlebag. Go light, go fast, go far.